juicy lasagna, warm burgers, cheesy chocolate cake, resistible dips, and much more. Hi, Cathy Mitchell here with my new cookbook, Everyday STONEWAVE Meals. I love cinnamon mouth buns. So easy to make. Watch this. Combine baking mix and milk right in your STONEWAVE. If you don't already, then add cinnamon, brown sugar, and butter. 1 minute in the microwave and the secret is the chimney that releases the steam while the stone dome circulates heat, cooking food to perfection. Look here, I marinated chicken and peppers in chocolate seasoning. Then just a few minutes in the microwave for the most delicious fajitas ever. In the mood for some pizza? Just flatten a canned biscuit and add some sauce. Everyone will love. Get Everyday STONEWAVE Meals today for just $10. But wait, here's how to order. $10. Hi.